Hello and welcome to a new DGPT video. I'm at my account right now. As you can see, I have 46.77 USDT, and I will go to my accelerators to activate them. Like on all top to earn games, here you just need to activate accelerators once per day. As you can see, all my accelerators are activated, and now I need to wait 2 hours. I purchased all accelerators at first level, so all 7 of them, and let's see my earnings when all this finish. Also, I will claim 1 cent from my device, my phone. After, let's say, 1.5 hours, you can see that accelerators are working, and I will come a little bit later. Here I am, and now when I check my account balance, I can see accelerators finished the job, and I have 79.58 US dollars. That means that I made about 32.8 USDT today. So it's about 1000 USDT per month in our group Money Making Opportunities and Airdrops. You can find all details how to join DGPT, how to buy accelerator, how to do the tasks. If you need any help, you can contact me in that Telegram group. See you there. Bye bye.